Have you ever wondered how websites interact with you? How do they respond to your clicks, display animations, or even update without requiring you to refresh the page? The answer to all these mysteries lies within a powerful language known as JavaScript. JavaScript is the language that breathes life into static web pages, allowing them to interact with you in real time. It's the magic that turns a static web page into a dynamic platform. Today, we peel back the layers of this fascinating language and explore its basics. We begin our journey with the fundamental building blocks of JavaScript variables. Variables are like containers that store data. They hold information that can be used and manipulated as you code. Next, we delve into the world of data types. JavaScript has several data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, and objects. Understanding these data types is like learning the alphabet before writing sentences. Functions, the next stop in our journey, are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. They're like your personal helpers, ready to execute your command whenever you need them. Now imagine being able to make decisions within your code. This is where conditional statements come into play. With if, else, and else-if statements, your code can make decisions based on certain conditions. Then we have loops. Loops are like the repeat function on your music player, but for your code. They allow you to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. Finally, we dive into the realm of arrays and objects. Arrays are like a list of items, while objects are collections of properties. Think of them as your personal organizers, keeping your data neatly arranged and easy to access. So, what have we learned today? We've seen that JavaScript is the language that makes websites interactive. We've explored variables, the containers that hold data. We've understood the various data types, the building blocks of coding. We've met functions, our personal helpers that execute tasks. We've discovered conditional statements, giving our code the power to make decisions. We've learned about loops, allowing us to repeat code until a condition is met. And finally, we've examined arrays and objects, our personal organizers that keep data neat and accessible. As we wrap up, remember that this is just the tip of the iceberg. JavaScript is a vast and powerful language with endless possibilities. It is the magic wand that transforms the web from a static document into a dynamic, interactive experience. So the next time you marvel at a website's interactivity, remember the magic of JavaScript.